best. She says, Ernie, I'll be happy if it comes up to me chest. But that tickled old Ernie. And he drove the fastest milk cart in the West. Now Ernie had a rival, an evil-looking man called Ted from Tiddington, and he drove the baker's van. He tempted her with his treacle tarts and his tasty oatmeal bread, and when she seen the size of his hot meat pies, it very near turned her head. She nearly swooned at his macaroon, and he said, now if you treat me right, you'll have hot rolls every morning and crumpets every night. He knew once she sampled his layer cake, he'd have his wicked way, and all Ernie had to offer was a pint of milk a day. Poor Ernie! And he drove the fastest milk cart in the West. One lunchtime, Kate saw Ernie's awesome cart outside her door. He drove him mad to find it was still there at 4:30. And as he leapt down from his van, off blood to his veins did course, and he went across to Ernie's cart, and he didn't half kick his horse, whose name was Trigger. And he pulled the fastest milk cart in the West. Now Ernie rushed out into the street, his gold top in his hand. He said, if you want to marry Susie, you fight for her like a man. Oh, why don't we play cards for her, he sneeringly replied. And just to make it interesting, we'll have a shilling on the side. Now Ernie dragged him from his van, and beneath the blazing sun, they stood there face to face, and Ted went for his bun. But Ernie was too quick, things didn't go the way Ted planned, and a strawberry-flavoured yoghurt sent it spinning from his hand. Now Susie ran between them and tried to keep them apart, and Ernie pushed her aside, and a rock cake caught him underneath his heart. And he looked up in pained surprise, and the concrete hardened crust of a stale pork pie caught him in the eye, and Ernie bit the dust. Poor Ernie! And he drove the fastest milk cart in the West. Ernie was only 52. He didn't want to die. And now he's gone to make deliveries in that milk round in the sky, where the customers are angels and ferocious dogs are banned, and a milkman's life is full of fun in that fairy dairy land. But a woman's needs are manifold, and Sue, she married Ted. But strange things happened on their wedding night as they lay in their bed. Was that the trees a-rustling, or the hinges of the gate? Or Ernie's ghostly gold tops a-rattling in their crate? They won't forget Ernie. Ernie! And he drove the fastest milk cart in the West.
Them two there are wimps. Won't even try and punch it.
Bob, Bob, get away. Intimacy wave.
Wave.
much it changed, Ma? How much is it? There's another token in it. There's another token in it.
Go on. Hey.
Yeah? I'm not meant to pick them out. Ernie, picture.
Press button again.
Yeah.
Hang on a second.
Another one like it.
What does it do?
Same as this. 15-minute ride round there.
This is called Shark Attack.
Yeah.
You want to hit the shark?
I don't think so.
Is it down there or down there?
Stand up like Robyn.
Hold on, man. Got to hold him on.
She wants to stand up, Ernie. Know what you want. Robyn, take your fingers from up your nose, darling.
Just wants to talk back.
Oh, what's my lip?
Look at me and say it.
We're going on a pirate ship, Robyn. Eh?
Kimberly.
When you watch Peter Pan, you can say you've been on one of those, can't you? All those flags. Oh, look up there, Robyn. Above you.
Oh.
Gizmo.
Oh. Gizmo's up there. Can you see him?
Up there.
What?
Look up. Oh. Look Gizmo. I see Gizmo. Gizmo, that, innit?
Look, Gizmo, she says. You nearly slip your slide then. Your husband's taking a picture of me. I do not have photos of me taken. I took photos.
I'll get it when we come back.
He's a royal still remains. He wears
little girl locked up in the corner, Sally, away, all the way. We're all the way for Rosie, away, all the way. We're all the way
They're putting a funny face for Elvis. Oh. Kimberly.
Shark.
Oh, where are we going now? Kimberly, is that good? You got to sit next to each other so I can get you both on together. Sit next to Kimberly. Sit with Kimberly, and then I can film you.
I don't want to.
You CC?
Alright.
Can you? You're going to wave to all the people that we're leaving behind.
Hello.
Hey, that's good, isn't it? Yeah? Hey! Whoa! Jessica, I can't see your daughter. I'm trying to film them.
Hey folks, let your face up, please. I'm using it. I'm using it.
Two adults, one child. You alright, Bob Bob? You alright, Robyn?
Where's the door?
You got it?
Robyn. Why do you like me now?
Likes it better now she's got a dummy. She's like little out of bloody Simpsons, her wait dummy.
Yeah. Thank you.
Would you like me to move?
You got a pirate's hat? 2 pirate's hats, please. Play.
Look at Nana! Look at Nana!
Kim Kim! Robyn!
Yay! Say hello! See the people on that board? That board's over there. Oh, that looks nice. Alright.
Running out of film.
You can hold it. No.
You got your hat on the wrong way around, darling. You got your hat on the wrong way around. Is that how you wear it like that? Okay then. Is that good?
Well, goodbye. I can't take it anymore.